Hello, we're the food monsters, and we eat the food monsters.
Look at one. He's sad. Look. Ha ha ha. We got this one alone.
Yeah. So first, let's eat the body.
Yeah. Then after that, this one the hand. Then eat it. In his part of his hand. That gonna be good.
And also, we're gonna eat his eyes.
That's funny. But you know Martha can eat eyes.
Yeah.
So you have to gobble it and wash it up, right?
Yeah.